Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the left door hinge on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new left door hinge for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before removing the hinge, tape the door in place to prevent it from falling. The door hinge is located beneath the end cap on the top of the refrigerator. Remove the two screws holding the end cap in place using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Slide the end cap up and out. Then, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screw holding the ground wire in place. Next, remove the screw holding the water line retainer in place. Remove the two bolts holding the hinge in place using a 3/8-inch socket. Carefully lift up on the door hinge to remove it from the door. Then, slide the water line and wiring harness through the slot on the hinge. If you need to purchase a new left door hinge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, first slide the water line and wiring harness through the slot on the hinge. Then, press into place, being sure that the tab on the refrigerator housing aligns with the notch on the hinge. Next, reinstall the two bolts. Reinstall the water line retainer screw and the ground wire screw. Align the end cap to the hinge, being sure to seat the tab beneath the middle cover assembly. Finally, reinstall the two screws and remove the tape. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.